Women, two amazing things that you did not know about your body. Female genitalia remain a taboo subject in almost every area of society. Gynecologist Alyssa Dweck wants to fix it. The lack of basic knowledge about the female sex organs remains striking today, as revealed by a survey conducted in the UK in 2016 with 1,000 women. Only half of them were able to detect the vagina in diagrams of the reproductive system of women. Now the British gynecologist Alyssa Dweck seeks to alleviate this ignorance originated through the taboo that still hangs over the female anatomy. His book The Complete A to Z for Your V will be published on June 1, 2017, and he talks about all these taboo topics formed around female sexuality. 1. There is no normal vagina. According to Dweck, despite all women wondering if their vagina is normal, the reality is that that concept simply does not exist. I get a lot of questions about whether everything I see is normal, if they are too large, how there are hundreds of thousands of shapes and sizes in reference to how vulva can be, so that should be the reference for every woman, he writes. 2. It is its own self-cleaning system. Although health professionals warn that douches can alter their pH or acidity level, there is still the misconception that the female genitalia are dirty or have a persistent bad smell if they are not clean specific. The baby who cannot distinguish between his mother and his twin sister. The baby who cannot distinguish between his mother and his twin sister in the jungle. Two mothers equal witchcraft. The little one is unable to identify which of the sisters is his mother, and the result is hilarious. Recommended by According to Dweck, the reality is that the vagina has its own mechanisms to maintain cleanliness and hygiene healthy, so all the special products or perfumed soaps that exist in the market are useless and can even be harmful.